Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this multicolored text effect on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in the word color, and I'm also going to change the font for that as well. And then I'm going to just select a color for the inside portion, and I'm going to then select stroke. I'm also going to select another color for that, maybe like this purple one. Or actually, let's do like this yellow. Then I'm going to copy and paste that, and then I'm going to change the inside color of it, for instance, like green. And then I'm also going to change the color of the stroke to like purple, for instance. And I'm just going to do that a few more times. Wait, yeah, okay. Making sure that the outside color and the inside is like different, like all of them. I'm just going to do 3, but you can do as many as like you want. Right click, create compound clip on all of them, but like separately. And then you're just going to basically, I'm just going to remove that first. Select this, go to mask, and select whichever one you want. Maybe mirror, maybe the horizontal one. I'm just going to select the horizontal one here. And I'm going to feather that out. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I want to. And then I'm going to add this one, and I'm going to again add the horizontal one, and I'm going to feather that out to create this really cool text effect. If you want to move them at once, just group them. You're still able to do that, but you can't create compound clip again. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!